Hope you're doing well today. Today I got a package my son from California, Isaiah, sent me. He wanted me to open this up and check it out and review it. So let's get into it. Before we do that, thank you, Isaiah. And here's a plug for the channel. Alright, well, let's open this up and see what we got in here. Well, you know what we got. It's on the thumbnail. Now, I'm always looking for stuff to add to my bug out gear, and I think this will fit right in. Okay, this is the Zippo Emergency Fire Kit. So let's take a look and see what's in here. Let me read the back here. The emergency fire kit comes through when others turn back. Okay, well, I'm not going to read any more of that paragraph. Zippo Flint Spark Wheel. Water resistant storage, floats in the water, reusable, ABS plastic, contains ergonomic design. Oh, okay. Textured grip. Let's see, built to last, easy ignition, emergency ready, pocket size. Reusable spark, wind resistant, and water resistant. Well, let's see how we get into this here. So I guess we'll start over here and just cut this thing open. Now, I was noticing, I looked this up after he had told me he was going to send this to me. They sell refillable kits for this also. Little tiny oxygen absorber, or not oxygen, what do they call that, desiccant? Same thing, I think. Absorb moisture. Alright, got that out. Don't want to do that out. Well, there it is. It's got a little arrow showing which way to ignite this. There is a rubber washer on here. So you can screw that down, and that's watertight. And this section here, well, that was on pretty tight. This section here has a rubber washer also. Comes with a little instructions. Let's see. Limited warranty, danger. Okay. Well, the instructions don't really say anything. They're just diagrams. I don't know if you can see that or not. Anyway, let's see. I notice I use that a lot. I'm gonna try to get away from doing that. I noticed it's irritating. Okay, it just shows you how to refill the flint right there, and place these inside here. So let's see if we can get this open. Trying to see if there is a little bit of a fragrance to it. Oh, that might be my dial. No? Yeah, there's a little bit of a fragrance to it. Oh, mailman, and I got another package to open here in a minute. Be right back. Can't remember where I lit off there, but anyway, drop these in here. If you notice they got a hole in them, that's so when you pack them in here, the flint has a place to reside down in there. Let's drop these in here. Oh. You know, you might even be able to get one more. I think you can probably get one more in there, actually. Oh, there we go. As soon as the wind calms down, we'll go out and spark one of these up. Now, I've seen it used a few... Oops, wrong cap. I've seen it used a few different ways. One, they took... I don't really have a stick right here with me. I'll show you this more when we go outside. But they stuck it on a stick and lit it. And you do have to kind of fluff it out a little bit to get it to ignite easily. But they took it and put it on a stick, and then they were able to put it under their fire and maneuver it around to ignite the tinder. Another way I saw was a guy had set it down and just put some fat wood over the top of it and got it started that way. But if the weather calms down, we'll go out here and we'll demonstrate it and check, see how good this thing lights up for us. So we'll get right back to you as soon as the weather cooperates. Well, we're out here. We're gonna check out this Zippo Fire Starter and see how it works out. I got my handy dandy cheapo Rambo style survival knife out here, cut up a little bit of fat wood, and let's see how this thing goes. And then we're gonna start a fire. I got a bucket of water just in case, because this ground is full of leaves and they're dry. So let me get the knife out of the way here. Okay, the Zippo, there's the striker part. So we're going to set this aside. Get out one of these little tablet things. And I'll tell you what, we're going to maneuver the camera so you don't have to look at my mug. And we're going to bring it down here if we can't start a fire. Alright, well, here's the little tablet thing here. Now, I saw a couple different ways that they were doing this. They were pulling just a little bit of this out like this and using that to light it. But I also saw them where they took a stick and shoved it through there and it like unraveled a little bit. I don't know if it'll do it for us or not. Let's see what we can get here. Yeah. Well, there's a little bit. Tell you what, let's see what we can do with just that right there. Let's see if we can get this fat wood. Now remember, on this thing here, there's a little arrow to show you which way to strike it. So let's see what happens. Whoa. Yeah, that went up really good. Okay, that was just with a tiny bit of that. Look at that fat wood. That's going up pretty good. That little piece of that Zippo cotton stuff. Okay, let's dump that in the bucket here. Okay, not all of it went in the bucket, so. Then I saw another one where what they did was they took and made a little, like a teepee. I don't know how we're gonna do it on here, but we'll see something here. Yeah, we'll just put some sticks together like this, and we'll actually just lay this on top of that. This stuff went quick. Look at that. Let's see. I don't know if you can see the flame on that or not. Put a couple of sticks on here. There we go. Did a pretty good job there. So I give the Zippo Fire Starter a definite 2 thumbs up. Let's see how well it'll get regular wood going. We saw it can get the fat wood going here. Got some wild cats out here. And my little doggy. The Zippo Fire Starter, you're going in my bug out bag. Yep. Alright, well, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't yet, please click the button down below to subscribe. Click that little bell icon when it pops up. You can click my little smiling face down here in the corner. Down over here. Somewhere down here anyway. To subscribe. And somewhere over here I'll put a couple of videos that I think you might like. Till next time, stay prepared.